Good morning, friends and colleagues from across the globe. My name is Dr. Pvt. I am the founder and MD of Mwana Group, Pvt. Ltd. In less than 10 days from now, on this land, which is 100% owned by Mwana Group, Pvt. Ltd, we will begin the construction of a state-of-the-art metal foundry that will be machining, molding and smelting 100 tons per month of scrap metal into high-value automotive components like brake discs, pistons, cylinders, engine blocks, pumps, etc. All these items are currently being imported from overseas into Zimbabwe. Our metal foundry, which is going to be very environmentally friendly and also import substituting for the country of Zimbabwe, we employ an excess of 100 people at its peak, both directly and indirectly, on the production plant, administration side, and also throughout our sales distribution network across Zimbabwe. Our financials are guaranteeing a 100% return on investment after 5 to 6 years, paying out 15% per annum every 6 months, and giving every investor the option to withdraw totally their initial capital investment and all of their interests after 1 year of operation. This investment is secured at a factor of 3 by the land and all the tooling and machinery that will come into effect once we ramp up. All payments would be in US dollars or whatever hard currency that they are received in. To this effect, we will set up a special purpose vehicle, SPV, domiciled in the UK to manage and ensure that all payments are in hard currency, USD or whatever currency that they were received in from the investors. By the way, this is in line with the RBZ's regulations and guidelines on the repatriation of all funds into Zimbabwe. To make this a reality, we are looking for 100 partners willing to invest $1,000. 100 partners willing to invest $1,000. 100 partners who, like me, care about the environment and want to help us utilize and recycle all the scrap metal which is littering our environment and turn it into high-value automotive components for the export market. 100 partners who are looking for a healthy return on investment for a fairly low-risk investment. 100 partners who believe in the strength of numbers. And above all, 100 partners who, like me, believe that given Africa and Zimbabwe's will to survive, desire to win, hunger for a new narrative for us as a people, with access to a bit of capital and tooling, we can easily become a net exporter of high-end automotive components. And most importantly, we are looking for 100 partners who feel excited at the aspect of becoming a pioneer in the new industrial revolution in Africa. People who feel excited about giving hope to other people. People who feel excited about empowering other people become global giants. People who become excited at the prospect of ensuring a new era for Africa and monozukuri in Zimbabwe. There's a link below this video. Please click, invest, and let's get the ball rolling. May God bless you. May God bless Zimbabwe. And above all, may God bless Mwana Group. Pamberi basa rakanaka.